Hello, dear students, just in the continuation of the previous video, we will proceed for the next one. Just I am going to take some questions and I hope we will discuss and you all will get the concept of the question ki how to reply the MCQs within the duration time, means 30 seconds or 60 seconds. Okay. So, simple questions. Root 2, it is a rational number, 2 is the rational number, and then sum of these two, it is irrational. Now, I will ask the rationalizing factor RF of the following: 5 plus root 6, 5 minus root 6, root 6 minus root 5. Rationalizing factor of this, that will be RF of following. So, RF of this one, 5 minus root 6, as I told, change the sign between them. RF of this, 5 plus root 6. Again, rationalizing factor of this, that will be root 6 plus root 5. Is it? If I am asking one more, result of 1 upon 2 minus root 3 equals to what? To find out, you have to do this 2 minus root 3. Rationalizing factor of 2 minus root 3 is 2 plus root 3 and 2 plus root 3. This is 2 plus root 3 and this is in the form of difference formula. So, this will be 2 square and minus root 3 whole square and 2 plus root 3 and this is 4 minus 3 and 4 minus 3 is 1. Therefore, answer will be 2 plus root 3. Correct? So, there is a hit and trial method. If rational number is given, means question is given in this format and numerator is 1 and denominator is given the combination of two numbers and you are going to rationalize this thing. If it is given a minus root b, then after rationalizing you will get a plus root b. And I have shown this question in front of you because you can understand the concept which I told verbally. So, let us do the next question. If a plus b root 3 equals to 4 minus 5 root 3, then what should be a and what should be b? And comparing, we can write this a should be equal to the 4, therefore, a equals to 4 and b equals to b is the coefficient of root 3, here b is the coefficient of root 3, that is minus 5. Then this is the result. Correct? We can take some more examples like 2 plus root 3 upon 2 minus root 3 equals to what? This is the new question. Again, as I did the previous question, we will solve this. It will take hardly 1 minute. 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. And rationalization means making the denominator free from irrational number. So, we will write on the conjugate, and conjugate of 2 minus root 3 is 2 plus root 3. So, we will multiply the numerator as well as the denominator by 2 plus root 3 and this is 2 plus root 3 upon 2 minus root 3. This is 2 plus root 3 whole square and this is 4 minus 3, because square of 2 is 4 and square of root 3 is 3. I have used the difference formula here. So, this is using identity a plus b whole square. You may write this 4 3 plus 4 root 3 and this is 1. Now 4 plus 3 7 and this is 4 root 3. Since I am explaining this one, that's why it is taking time, otherwise you may reply your answer. Do it quickly. So these are the questions on the basis of rationalization, like 1 upon root 7 equals to root 7 upon 7. This is the result because I have multiplied the left hand side, numerator and denominator both by root 7. So let us solve some more questions. So many questions are given in the books, like in the reference book and then your prescribed book. You can practice that one and that will be helpful. Like a question 25 to the power 0 plus 2 square minus 1. What should be the result? I hope, there is a formula a power 0 equals to 1. Here a means 25. So 25 power 0 means 1. Square of 2 means 4 and this is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancelled. So result is 4. Correct? Again, there is a question 25 to the power 1 upon 3 into 5 to the power 1 upon 3. You may write this 25 as 5 square 1 upon 3 into 5 to the power 1 upon 3. As per the indices rule, we will multiply this 2 because this is m and this is n. So finally this will be 5 to the power 2 upon 3 into 5 to the power 1 upon 3, and using the indices rule, first one, other exponent rule, a to the power m into a to the power n, that is equals to a to the power m plus n. So you may write 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3 and this is 5 power 1, and as a final result you may write 5. Here we have used the two exponents rule. First one, that was a power m to the power n, a power mn, and second one a power n into a power n equals to a to the power m plus n. Right? In this way so many questions are given. Again I would like to write one more only for your understanding. 2 to the power 0 plus 7 to the power 0 upon 5 power 0. As per the rule this is 1, again this is 1 upon 1, 1 plus 1, 2 upon 1, and this is 2. Right? So practice the questions. Again, before winding up this one, I would like to write one more question of a different kind. Root 15 into root 12. To understand this thing, I would like to write, since root a into root b equals to under root a into b, we can consider 15 as a and 12 as the b. So we can write this as 15 into 12 and this is 180. Is it? If you multiply 15 to the 12, result will be 180. Now write the prime factors of 180. So 180, 2, 90, 2, 45 and 3, 15 and again 3, 5. So you may write this as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. There is a pair of 2 and this is pair of 3, and from the each pair we can take out the one number. So this is 2 into 3, and since 5 is unpaired, that will means 5 will remain in that. So it is 6 root 5. Okay. So this is the example of the question. As I told, square root means power 1 upon 2, cube root means power 1 upon 3. Maybe a question is given in this format, y cube equals to 8, right? So y equals to 8 to the power 1 upon 3, and this 8 is the cube of 2. Now using the indices rule, the exponent rule, we will multiply these 2, and by multiplying this 3 and 3 cancelled, remaining is 2. So value of y is 2. Is it? Maybe anyone more simplification? 4 root 12 upon 12 root 16. So this can be written as 4 1 ja 4, 4 3 ja, and now upper 1, and this is 3, and you may write this as 12 upon 16. 4 3 ja 12 and 4 4 ja 16. This is 1 upon 3 root 3 upon 4. Since 3 has no pair, but 4 may be written as the 2 into 2, so it is root 3 upon this 3, and square root of 4 is 2. So its result is root 3 upon 6. All these questions which I have written at the board, these are the multiple choice question. In actual, you have to practice such questions, that will be helpful to understand the thing. One more category is there. So many categories are there. Actually these questions, such questions are given in the NCERT book. If you will read the page by page, you will get it done. As we know, root 2 equals to 1.414, root 3 equals to 1.732. Need to evaluate 2 root 2 plus root 3. So simply you may write 2 into 1.414 plus 1.732. 2 4 ja 8, 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8, and this is 2 plus 1.732, and find the sum. 8 plus 2 10, carry 1, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus carry 1 6, and 7 plus 8 15, carry 1. Now 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4. So result is this. I hope you have understand the things which I tries to explain, and kindly try to practice the questions given in the reference book and the NCERT, and best of luck for this tomorrow's CA, that will be online, and that is completely MCQ based. Do the questions, answer the questions properly to the teachers. Best of luck you all. Thank you.